Hello everyone. After a long break, I am here with the second video of our AI series. In this video, we will make the AI character move around the map. Let's get started. I will use the character I used in the previous video. First, let's create an AI controller. While self is selected in the blueprint of the AI character, let's add the blueprint we created to the AI controller class. Now we need a behavior tree and a blackboard. Let's open the behavior tree and make sure that the blackboard we created as blackboard is selected. Since the character will move around the scene, we will need a location value. We need to create a vector variable in the blackboard. Now let's open the behavior tree. Let's call the selector node from the root node. Selector gives us options. Let's select the sequence node here. This option will work when the AI character does not see us. In the next video, we will code what to do when it sees us. Now we need to create a new task. We will come back here. First, let's create a blueprint actor. Thanks to this actor, we will determine the stops that the AI character will visit. Let's add a billboard object so that it can be easily seen. This will only appear in the editor. I place it in certain places on the map. The AI character will randomly go to these points. This is important. We need to specify the places where the AI character can move around. For this, we add a navmesh bound volume and bring it to the size where it can be found on our map. We can see the area by pressing the P key. This green area shows where the AI character can walk. Yes. Now let's start creating our task. We need the event receive execute AI node. The variable we will use in Blackboard is vector. So we call the set Blackboard value as vector node. We also need to access the target blueprint. We define a variable for key. We need to get all the targets on the map randomly. We can manually write the number range here, but we can add other targets in the future. Therefore, we find how many targets we use with the length node. Integer starts from 0, our targets start from 1, so we need to subtract 1 from the length value. We find the location of each target and connect it to the node. Finally, we call the finish execute node and tick success. By the way, the location key variable must be editable. Let's go back to the behavior tree. We add the task we created in the scenario where the AI cannot see us. We must make sure that locations is selected as a variable. Then select move to, and again on the right side, select locations as a variable. We add weight, which will provide a little weight between targets. Now let's enter the AI controller enemy blueprint. We created at the beginning, and in event begin play run the behavior tree. If we run it as a simulation, we can follow the character more easily. I don't want him to run around without seeing us. I want him to walk while patrolling. Let's create a new task. We select BT Task Blueprint Base. Cast the AI character. We set the set max walk speed from character movement. We need to keep the value in a variable. We will use it in the behavior tree. And of course, it must be editable. Finish with finish execute. Success should be checked. If cast failed, success should be false. In the behavior tree, we add the last task we created to the top. We make the walk speed 225. When it needs to run, we will be able to use the same task in other sequences. Yes, randomly going to targets waiting, this is exactly what I wanted. Maybe we can lower the speed a little more. 125 for example. But there's a bit of a problem with the turns. There are sudden turns. To soften this, let's enter the AI character blueprint and make use controller rotation yaw unchecked, while self is selected. When character movement is selected, let's make orient rotation to movement true. Yes, we got more realistic turns.
If you're finding value in these tutorials, hit that subscribe button and drop a like if you love the content. You can also ring the bell to stay updated.
See you in the restaurant at the end of the universe.